Let's say you want to start your own website. Easy enough, right? But there's coding, wireframes, all this tech lingo. It can all seem overwhelming. Fortunately, it doesn't have to be. HostGator's website builder helps you get online and build a beautiful, functional website in a snap. With a drag-and-drop editor, a suite of apps and tools, and easy e-commerce integration, HostGator's website builder is the perfect choice for your new business or personal website. You can easily search and choose from more than 200 professionally designed, mobile-friendly templates. Quickly customize your pages by dragging and dropping buttons, maps, forms, images, and more. And with our e-commerce package, you'll have everything you need to get your online store up and running with ease. From checkout cart to payment options to integrated shipping, you can do it all from Website Builder Dashboard. HostGator's website builder is loaded with all the fundamental support you need, like free website hosting, a free SSL certificate for security, and a free domain name for the first year. And with HostGator's website hosting power, you can continue to upgrade your site as you grow. Plus, our around-the-clock, world-class support has your back all along the way. We work when you work, 24/7, 365. So that means you get the support you need when you need it. We also offer industry-leading page load times with our 99.9% uptime guarantee. And we guarantee that if you're not completely satisfied with HostGator, you can cancel within 45 days for a complete refund. Join customers around the world who have trusted their website to HostGator. Get started today.